everyone, so this is my CVS haul for this week, January 22 to January 28 of 2023. So I did multiple transactions. So I did 5 transactions in total, but I will only share that 3 transactions because most of it, they are repeated deals. So in the first transaction, I did the deal of Revlon Cosmetics. So the Revlon Cosmetic is spend $15 and you will get a $5 extra box reward. There is rebate in IBOTTA also for the Revlon Eye Cosmetic. There is $3 rebate and it's a limit of 5. So I bought 4 Revlon Color Stay Day to Night. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is priced for $10.79. I forgot to grab one so that I can do that deal 5 times, but it's okay. I can just I can come back again next time. So I picked 4 eyeshadow. So the one, this is the one that have blue, and then the other one there is purple on it, and then the 2 they are same shade. So this is my note for the Revlon Eye Cosmetic. So it's priced for $10.79 and the 4 are $43.16. So I only need around less than $2 so that I can do the deal 5 times. But I forgot to grab another item. And then I used 2 for $1 of 20 Revlon Makeup CRT. So total are $8. I used the $5 off Revlon instant coupon that I got today. And then I used for $3 off Revlon Eye Cosmetic printable coupon from coupon.com, but it's no longer available. So my subtotal are $18.16. I used my 32 purchase discount, so it deduct $5.82. I paid $12.34. Then I got my $10 extra box reward. Plus I got $12 rebate in IBOTTA for purchasing 4 eye product. So I got $22 in total, making it free plus $9.66 money maker. So this is my receipt in the Revlon deal. So all the coupons applied, including the 2 $4 off Revlon CRT. I got one last week and one this week also. And then my $5 Revlon instant coupon. So I paid $12.34. I did not use my extra box reward because I used a percentage off. So I paid $13.08 including the tax. I saved $30.82. Total savings is 71%. And then in the end of the receipt, I need $1.84 so that I can get my another $5. So next time I will buy 2 instead. And then submit to IBOTTA, making it free. So my Revlon is free plus $9.66 money maker. And then in the second transaction, I did a deal of Colgate toothpaste. So the select Colgate Optic White total or Max Fresh that price for $2 for $7.98 is buy 2 and get $6 extra box reward. It's a limit of 2. There is $2 digital coupon that glitch in the paper coupon. So I bought 4 in total. So I picked the Colgate Total Whitening. This is the 3.3 ounce. And this is my note for the Colgate. So it's 2 for $7.98 and the 4 are $15.96. I used $2 off 2 Colgate manufacturing coupon from Smart Start Insert. And then my $2 off Colgate digital coupon glitch. I paid $9.96. I got my $12 extra box reward, making it free plus $2.04 money maker. And then the Colgate manual toothbrush or mouthwash, the 500 ml is $4.49, and when you buy 2, you will get a $5 extra box reward. So I pick 1 Colgate toothbrush, and then there is $2 digital coupon in CVS app. And then the Colgate mouthwash is $4.49. There is $2 digital coupon also in CVS app. And this is my note for the Colgate. So the 2 are $8.98 less the $2 off any Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash digital coupon. And then I have another one, $2 off on any 1 Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash. I paid $4.98. Then I got my $5 extra box reward, making it free plus 2 cents money maker. And then the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner is 2 for 8. And when you buy 2, you will get a $3 extra box reward. There is $3 digital coupon in CVS app. I just forgot to screenshot. And then I used the $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon in coupon.com. So I picked the Sleek and Shine Smoothing Conditioner. And this is my note for the Garnier. So the 2 are $8. I used the $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon from coupon.com. Then the $3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon glitch. I paid $2 and then I got my $3 extra box reward, making it free plus $1 money maker. And then the Head and Shoulders is 2 for 12, and when you buy 2, you will get a $4 extra box reward. So luckily they have some Head and Shoulders. So I picked the Head and Shoulder Classic Clean. This is the 12.5 ounce. And then I used an expired coupon from P&G that expired January 14. And the store here accept coupon up to 2 weeks. So this is my note for the Head and Shoulders. The 2 are $12. I used the $3 off 2 Head and Shoulders manufacturing coupon from P&G and P&G Insert. Sorry for that. That expired January 14. And then my $3 off 2 Head and Shoulders digital coupon glitch. I paid $6 and then I got my $4 extra box reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 each. And then the Herbal Essences, the promotion of this is different from the Head and Shoulders. So the Herbal Essences is 2 for 14, and when you buy 2, you will get a $4 extra box reward. So I picked the shampoo. It's Real Botanicals, honey, and vitamin D. So I got 2 Herbal Essences, and this is my note for the Herbal Essences. So the 2 are $14. Then I used the $3 of 2 Herbal Essences manufacturing coupon from P&G Insert that expired January 14. And then my $3 of 2 Herbal Essences digital coupon glitch. I paid $8 and then I got my $4 extra box reward, making it $4 for 2 or $2 each. And then the Any Degree deodorant or dry spray is buy one get one 50% off. So I picked the body spray. This is priced for $7.79. And then the 50% off is $3.89. There is $1 rebate in IBOTTA. It's a limit of 5. And this is my note for the degree. So the 2 are $11.68. I used the $4 of 2 degree manufacturing coupon from Save that expired January 21. I paid $7.68. I got my $4 extra box reward. Plus I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. I got $2. So it's a limit of 5. So making my degree $1.68 for 2 or 84 cents each. And then the Dove Hand Wash Love Beauty Planet Body Wash or any Axe Shower Gel is buy one get one 50% off. But they don't have Dove Hand Wash. That's why I picked the Axe Body Wash. So it's buy one get one 50% off. Buy 2 get $4 extra box reward. This is priced for $6.49 and then the 50% off is $3.25. So this is my note for the Axe. So the 2 are $9.74. I used the $4 of 2 Axe manufacturing coupon from Save that expired January 21. I paid $5.74. I got my $4 extra box reward, making it $1.74 for 2 or 87 cents each. So this is my receipt in my second transaction. So all the coupons applied and then the glitch in Head and Shoulders, Herbal Essences, Garnier, and then Colgate. And then I used total of $41 extra box reward. So here, when I saw the subtotal, I said to the cashier that supposedly my out of pocket is $3.36. And then I computed the total, and then after the coupon, so my out of pocket should be $3.36. But here is $7.35. So what she did is she just gave me a $5 extra box reward for the overpaid here. And then I saved total of $92.69. Total savings is 93%. So I got all my extra box reward. Then I got my $5 extra bucks reward for the cover plate. Because here my out-of-pocket supposedly $3.36. My total after the coupon is $44.36. Then less the $41 extra bucks reward. That's why my out-of-pocket is $3.36. But here is different. So she just gave me a $5 extra bucks reward. So I got my $36 extra bucks reward for the deal. I got my 4 in Head and Shoulders, my $4 in Axe. I got my 4 in Herbal Essences. I got my degree, my 4 in Degree. And then I got my $3 in Garnier. I got my 12 in Colgate. And I got my 5 in other Colgate. So I got $36 plus 5. And then I got $2 rebate in IBOTTA. So I got $43 in total, making it $1.36 for 16 items or 8 cents each. So this is my third transaction. So I used the other card. So I did again the deal of Revlon Cosmetic. So it's spend $15 and get $5 extra bucks reward. It's a limit of 6. So I bought Revlon Glass Shine Lipstick. This is priced for $12.49. So I got the 007 shade. I got the 017. And then I got another 017. And then this Revlon Gloss. Super Lustrous gloss. This is priced for $11.49. And then the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation. This is priced for $12.99. So I got 6 Revlon in total. And this is my note for the Revlon. So the 3 Revlon Glass Shine Lipstick are $37.47. The other Revlon lipstick is $11.49. The 2 Revlon foundation are $25.98. My subtotal are $74.94. I used 2 for $1 off Revlon CRT, one from last week and one this week. Then $5 off Revlon instant coupon. And then I used 2 buy 2 get 1 Revlon Lustrous lipstick CRT. It only deduct $9.49. I don't know why. So the 2 are $18.98. And then I use one $3 Revlon lipstick printable coupon from coupon.com. 2 $3 off Revlon face printable coupon from coupon.com. So I paid $33.96. Sorry for the typo here. So I paid $33.96. I got $25 extra bucks reward. Then I submitted my receipt in IBOTTA. So total I got $43, making it free plus $9.04 money maker. So if only my buy 2 get 1 free Revlon CRT came off in full value, my money maker is $15.04. But it's okay. Sorry for the typo here. So next, I got again the Colgate toothpaste. So it's the same in the second transaction. So this is priced for $247.98. So I got 4 Colgate Optic White toothpaste. This is the 4.2 ounce. And this is my note for the Colgate. So the 4 are $15.96. I used $2 off Colgate manufacturing coupon from Smart Source. And then $2 off Colgate digital coupon. I paid $9.96. Then I got my $12 extra bucks reward, making it free plus $2.04 money maker. And then same thing in the second transaction. So it's $4.49, buy 2 get $5 extra bucks reward. So I pick again 1 Colgate toothbrush and 1 toothpaste. And this is my note. So the 2 are $8.98. I use the $2 off any Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash digital coupon. $2 off any Colgate or Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash digital coupon. I paid $4.98. Then I got my $5 extra bucks reward, making it free plus 2 cents money maker. Then in my spend 30 get $10 off, $10 extra bucks reward. Sorry for that. I picked the Gain plus Other Defense. This is 42 packs. There is $3 printable coupon in PNG website for the first time. So I able to print two because I use different account and different browser. And then the bouncy, this is $6.99. There is $1 digital coupon. I include also the deal of Garnier Whole Blend. So the Garnier Whole Blend is 2 for 8. And when you buy 2, you will get a $3 extra box reward. I put together because I used the 8 of 40 purchase CRT. So I got 2 Garnier Whole Blend, 2 Gain plus Auto Defense 42 pack and 1 bouncy. And this is my note for the 8 of 40 purchase CRT. So I combine the spend 30 and get $10 extra box reward, and buy 2 get $3 extra box reward in Garnier Whole Blend deal. The 2 Gain Fling are $25.98. Then the bouncy, because they don't have Gain liquid detergent, so I change it in the bouncy dryer sheet. So it's $6.99, and the 2 Garnier are $8. My soft total are $40.97. I use the 8 of 40 purchase CRT. I used $2 $3 off Gain printable coupon from coupon.com. So total are $6. $1 off bouncy digital coupon. Then I used the $3 off 2 Garnier printable coupon from coupon.com. $3 off 2 Garnier digital coupon bleach. I paid $19.97. I got my $13 extra box reward, making it $6.97 for 5 items, or $1.39 each. So what a nice deal. So here, so everything went smoothly. All the coupons applied except for the buy to get one free Revlon. It did not deduct the full amount. So here the coupon for Revlon face came off, for the Colgate, for the Garnier, and then the glitch in Colgate, and then in Garnier. And then here my 8 of 40 came off. So I used total of $54 extra box reward. I paid $3.40. I saved $140.14. Total savings is 98%. My extra box reward in Revlon, it only print $10 extra box reward, but the manager is very kind. She gave me extra $15 because I said that I did a deal 5 times. So thank you so much to the manager of CVS. She gave me 15, so I got a total of $25 for the Revlon. And then I got also my $12 in Colgate. I got my $5 in Colgate mouthwash and Colgate toothbrush. And then I got my $3 in Garnier Whole Blend. I got my $10 in the spend 30. So my out of pocket is $3.40 plus $54 extra box that I use. So total are $57.40. Then I got my $55 extra box reward, making it $2.40 for 16 items, or 15 cents each. So my final cost, so my total money maker are $9.60, less to the transaction that don't have money maker in second and third is $3.76. So my haul are free plus $5.84 money maker. So thank you so much guys for watching, and sorry if I make it fast. I'm not feeling well and I really want to take rest. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.